Hi, Coach Tommy here. In this episode, I have a silent partner, Century Bob here. We're talking about a little bit of using equipment to get better with your striking, whether it's punching or kicking or whatever. Key things, remember, is you have to make this move. It's the same thing as you have to make the punching bag move. You just need to understand when you start from a good, sort of like de-escalation type of stance or so, whether it's this or this or this or this, whatever you like. But the idea that I'm here. Now, I should be able to launch my strike, whether it's a move, get grip of the hand type of thing, hey, stop there, don't do anything if I have ability to control, or if it's already sort of like a educational, hey, back off, and you're punching. The basic technique, you cannot hit a hard punch hitting like this. You see, if I am making this sort of a punch here, as a straight punch, it's not gonna lead you anyplace. To keep your hand coming straight from here will actually give you the idea of the process. So from self-defense purposes, go here, moving out, punching, getting from here, hey, moving out, punching, and you're actually at the same time practicing the explosiveness. It's quite simple thing. The thing is that you have to feel from your body, be ready to move from here. If you think that, okay, I will push with my legs, we are jumping up and now I should be flowing in. I should be going there. I should not be going there. So bending your knees a bit, getting in, getting this. Now, a good thing here is that you will learn how to recoil your misses, because you will miss with some of the punches. So let's say from here I am punching and the bag is already there. This is not necessarily connecting. But I'm not too worried about that, because the thing is that once the machine is going, the machine is going from here. Machine is not going from my shoulders here. All right, simple exercise with punches. Thinking that you're punching to the head, punching to the side, punching to the side. So I'm punching up, I'm punching down, I'm punching to the side and moving out. Now if I want to train kicking with this one, it's good. I can go to the groin or I can go to the legs here. So from here, 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 it's very easy. What you need to have is the control of your body. So going from here to going to here, all right, I was in a position to kick more than a position to hit with my hands. And also, if you work with a punching bag, the same thing. You can do your hook punches, you can do your straight punches. Remember to move, do your kicks, kicks, nice and steady, and all the time, just keep on working. I'll be bringing more of this equipment stuff later on, but now the important thing when working with the bag or bob or whatever hitting equipment you have is that you go realistically. You are not just padding here, but once you start hitting, go full speed, then relax, go again, making person to flinch, get up, hit, and hit. Just like I like you to do now, hit like and hit subscribe. All right, see you guys later.